Hello and welcome back to my channel. It is your Queen Tasha Dene. I am back with another video on Yoni steaming. Are you looking to get the maximum benefit out of your Yoni steam? I'm here to share a couple things that you can do to get the maximum benefit of your Yoni steam. First, start by putting Yoni steam in your monthly self-care routine. Putting this in your monthly routine will help in so many benefits more than one. The other thing is to put all natural 100% cotton fabric in your undergarment use. That will also give great benefits to a maximum benefit of Yoni steaming. That is due to different fabrics can also trap moistness in things and causing an imbalanced pH. Another thing is be mindful of using perfumes and soaps on the Yoni. It is important that you protect that sacred space. Maybe use perfumes and things like that on the outside of the clothing, because it also can send the pH in an unbalanced situation. It is very important to know your body, to know your Yoni, to give it the best care and natural care that it deserves. So until next time, we are going to embark on Yoni steaming during pregnancy. It is so important to start addressing these concerns before they need to be addressed. So I want to share some information that I have and that I would like to give you on labor and steaming. If you would like more information on getting the maximum benefits of your Yoni steam, you can go and find me on Instagram under Queen's Den Yoni Steam. You also can find me at queensdenyoni.com, where we are also doing complimentary 10-minute consultations to your wound wellness and your wound care. So if you are that person or know someone that is looking into their wound wellness, their self-care routine, and would like to talk to someone that is certified, insured, and licensed, you can book that appointment today. Until then, it is your Queen Tasha Dene. Bye-bye. Oh, and don't forget to look at my shirt now. It says self-care is the best care. Steam that Yoni, honey. Okay, book your appointment today. Bye-bye.